Hello everyone, this is Rishi here, and this is a short video on how to set up the Gomi volume ladder framework in NinjaTrader 7. The Gomi volume ladder framework is basically the framework to record the data of the bid and ask and use the Gomi volume ladder indicators to see a similar chart like the footprint chart, as the footprint chart is a trademark and of market delta. So Gomi named it as a volume ladder. Basically it's one and the same thing. So let's start with a step-by-step tutorial on how to set it up. You want to go to futures.io website, as the Gomi volume ladder indicators are available for the elite members of futures.io. Futures.io, which is the new name for Big Mike Trading Forum, or BMT as everyone calls it. So once you download the framework in a zip format, the latest version is 3.4. Once you download it, before installing the base indicator package and the volume ladder Metro Edition version 2, in this case we'll be using the Metro Edition version 2 to set up the chart, because that has a diagonal bid and ask. Then there is a Metro Edition 3 as well, but I prefer the volume ladder Metro Edition 2. So before installing that in NinjaTrader, you need to set up the environment variable for it. So in Windows 8 or 10, go to C drive, users. The user should be having the administrator rights. So in this case it's me, Rishi, and you go inside and create new folder, name it GOM folder. Go inside the GOM folder. You don't need to go inside, but this makes it easier. Just click in the top address bar and click copy. So this path is copied because we'll require it to create the environment variable. Go to my PC or this PC, properties, right click and properties, and this window will open up. Go to advanced system settings. This window will open up. Go to environment variables and click new. Now you can paste the path you copied. So this is C drive users Rishi GOM folder. This will be replaced by your username in your case, and name the variable as GOM folder and click OK. If you don't want to copy the address, you can manually type it or browse the directory from here. This PC, C drive, user, Rishi, and select the folder you created. Press OK and the same path comes here. Just name it GOM folder, press OK, and this variable will be created. Once the variable is created, then go to the NinjaTrader home screen, file, utilities, because if it will be imported as as a zip file, so import Ninja script, yes, and you can wherever you have downloaded, you can, this is the framework indicator, just press it and it will say install. Press yes, and the indicator will be installed. Then in the same way, there is the base package to be installed, and same way there is the volume ladder Metro Edition V2 to be installed to create the chart. Once you install both of that, just go to Tools, Edit Ninja Script, Indicator. This GOM CD and all will be installed as the part of the package. You need to go to all these indicators individually just to be safe. Go to this indicator, press OK. A window like this will open up. Right click, press F5 or press compile and press save, so that this indicator gets compiled and is ready for use. So same way, go to all the GOM indicators that you install and repeat this process. Also repeat this process for the volume ladder Metro Edition. So Metro Edition is available. There are the version is available as a .cs file. For installing the .cs file, you can go into C drive, user, documents, NinjaTrader, bin, custom, and within that indicators, and just paste that .cs file there. Then again the same thing, open this, edit indicator, OK. This window will open up, and again the same thing, compile and save. I've done all that, so I'm not doing it again. Once the base package and the indicator is installed, just go to Files, New, a chart. So you can select the instrument here and select the instrument, create chart. You can take any value here for the period, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you like. And so this basically opens a new default chart. Once you open the chart, right click, indicators, and you need to double click the volume ladder Metro Edition V2, comes here, and the GOM recorder indicator. The GOM recorder indicator, so that when in real time, if you want to save the bid ask, you will need to take the GOM recorder indicator in one of the charts and use a millisec format, 1 per day, and make this write data as true and use millisec as true. So when this is true, the DAT files that you saw, the DAT files in this indicator will get recorded for seeing the historical data. If you are not for this format, you need to make sure that from the opening of the market till the close, your NinjaTrader has to be seamlessly kept on. The data feed connection should be on. In case you lose internet connectivity or data feed connectivity, or you are not there on the desk, you come at 10 o'clock and switch on the computer and start NinjaTrader, what will happen is you will miss the earlier data in this format because you cannot backfill this. Instead of that, you can use the Ninja tick file format. In this, you can backfill it. So in this tutorial, I am using the Ninja tick file format, and write data is true. And then let's go into the settings of volume ladder Metro Edition V2. As we are using the Ninja tick file, even if you use bid ask, it will show you uptick, downtick only, because Ninja tick file cannot save historical bid ask data. So we'll use uptick, downtick with continuation. Delta size filter mode is none. Volume filter size is 1, so that each volume is recorded. Delta volume uptick, downtick completion true. Record format Ninja tick file. If you select millisec, again the same thing, you can use the bid ask, but you will be able to populate the chart only during the live market when the software is on and the data feed is on. In case you started later on, you will miss the data when the software was not on. You cannot have a backfill. Then in the data, calculate on bar close is false. Input series is Nifty. Maximum bars to look back, you can keep the number of bars of your choice. Auto scale is equal to true. Displacement 0. Display in data box false. You can keep this true if you want to see a data box here with the values of the indicator. And panel is same as input series, so that we get the chart in the same pane. Now the first setting is extreme left ladder. I don't want to see the left ladder. I want to just see these two right ladders. But in case you want to see it, you can make it true and can see whatever you want. You can keep total volume and number of days. You can keep it 1, 2, 3, as many days you like, or you can keep all days, so that how much ever data you are selecting, all those days will get populated on the left scale. I don't want to see the left, so I have not done it. So I have kept it false. Then the left ladder, again you can choose whatever you want. There are 5 options, and the same way you can make it true and can see the left ladder. Now coming to right ladder, I want to see this right ladder and I've made it true. I want to see the delta in that right ladder, and number of days I want to just see 1 day, so that I come to know what is the delta at each price of today. The each price we have to set in the fib aggregation. So depending upon the fib size you choose, this delta will be the delta at price of that particular aggregation ticks. The number format, I want to see it in lot sizes, because if the data feed sends the data in terms of traded volume, and if I don't choose the lot size, if I choose normal, then this figure will get huge. If I choose the kilo 1 digit, kilo 2 digit, or kilo digit, the zeros will decrease. I don't want to do that. I want to just see how many lots the delta is negative or positive. All these settings are default. I have not changed them. Now again, the extreme right ladder, I want to see the total volume of the trading day. So this is again the same thing. True, total volume, n days is equal to 1. Number format is lot size, and all other settings are default. The bid ask ladder is what we want to configure now. Show is equal to true. Number format is equal to lot size. Again, here you have a choice to use normal, kilo 1 digit. But if you use normal, this number gets into, because this will get into 14 into 75, 13 into 75, 55 into 75, and 379 into 75. The number gets too big to accommodate, and we'll be able to see less number of bars. ER ladder is equal to false. Max number 15,000. This is all default. Show max volume level true. Show caught. And this will show you the total of the negative and positive delta below and above the candle. It will put a box. I don't want to see that. Show hotkey will show you the hotkeys. I don't want to see that as well. The center fill type is histogram. No minus sign, true. Show VWAP. I don't want to see the VWAP from this indicator. Rather, I want to use a dedicated VWAP indicator so that I can see the standard deviations of the VWAP and can draw it as a background band. So that's why I'm not keeping this true in this indicator. Show outer border false. Hide sidebars false. Hide side person 30. BA true shape false, and rest is default. The BA font color is black. The background is black. Bottom font color is lavender. So this is the bottom font color. It will show you the volume, and this we'll see in the next setting where it comes from. The legend back color is slate gray. Negative delta is orange, and positive is deep sky blue, which is this and this. It's getting used here at this place, and the side font color is silver. Volume bar center ladder is silver, and volume bar side ladders is lavender. The bid ask font color 6.75. This is again your choice. You can choose whatever size you are comfortable with. The side ladder font color also again the same thing. You can choose whatever you want, and the bottom boxes font color you can choose whatever you want. Show long reversal and show short reversal, true and true. This is again up to you. Contract threshold I have kept 75,000 so that excuse me, so that you can see the contract reversal. When that reaches your given threshold, you will see this CR. So here it has reached the positive reversal threshold, so you can see the CR, and it has reached the negative threshold here, so you can see the CR here. So you can keep it whatever you like. If you reduce this and bring it to 25,000, you will start seeing, you can start seeing these reversal on many of the bars. So I've just kept it the threshold higher so that I don't I just see it at extremes when there is a huge imbalance after a trend, intraday trend. So keeping this 75,000. Again, it's your personal choice. If you want to see this, it's fine. If you don't want to see this, it's fine. Once you get used to using the order flow charts and these volume ladder charts, you will not feel the urge of seeing this, because you will be able to follow the price action combined with other stuff that you use, and will be able to assess when it goes into a huge imbalance. Then the bottom view is graphic. You have three choices. Either you don't want to see it, or you want to see it as a statistic. If you want to see it as a statistic, you'll see these boxes where this is the traded volume in this bar, and this is the net delta of this bar. So I prefer to use it I actually have multiple charts, and I use NinjaTrader rarely, in fact, when either if because there is one PC running for the trading room constantly. So either if I am outside, I've gone outdoors and I want to watch it on my laptop, either I log into the trading room or I start NinjaTrader on my PC and start watching the charts. So I'll keep it again as graphic. Then this is again the parameters, different options and parameters for seeing what you want to see in the statistics. So you can have all these volume row, cumulative volume row, delta percent cumulative delta row, percent seller row, percent buyer row. You can have all these choices lined up, so it will come in a series Like if you choose volume first, delta second, then cumulative volume third, and so on, it will populate here as a statistic. Now the graphic is visible like this. So let's see the graphic properties and parameters. The bottom graphic style is volume. You can keep it as delta volume or cumulative delta line. I want to keep it as volume because I want to see the traded volume of this bar, of each bar, and within that I want to see the volume at bid and volume at ask. The volume at bid is the seller's volume and at ask is the buyer's volume. So that's why I've put the seller as red and buyer as green. This is the color, and the background is dim gray. The base opacity is 255 is the highest opacity, which is you can't see behind that graphic. And if you keep it lower, let's say if we keep it 100. Now if we go, if you pull the chart below, see, you are able to see this candle even behind that graphic. So it's up to you what you want to keep. If you want to keep it a bit translucent, you can keep it 100, 50, whatever you prefer. I prefer to keep it at 255, which is the highest. You can't see behind that. Then this is the open pen style, tick pen style, high volume pen style. Open and tick is open, you get a mark at the open, and the tick pen style is while the market is live, you will keep on getting one bar here next to the candle at the current market price. The high volume style is basically the volume based POC of that particular bar. So, or the highest traded volume at a particular price within that bar. So in this case, I have put that pale gold, and you can see that this is the highest traded volume of this bar. So that becomes gold. A box is there. This is the highest traded volume of this bar. This is the highest traded volume of this bar. Then there is a second highest traded volume, which is blue. So this is the second highest traded volume within this bar. At times it is away from the highest traded volume. At times it is stacked next to the highest traded volume. So depends how it's traded. If you wish to see it, you can I have kept it blue so that I come to know what is the second highest traded volume. The bid-ask border style is black. VWAP style, in case you selected the VWAP as true, then you can select the style and the color. The strong ask color is green. Strong bid color is magenta. Weak color is Dodger blue, and neutral color is gray. Now the diagonal font, so in this case it's 8.25. Suppose you make, because we have selected the diagonal bid ask type, so only this font will work when your conditions are met. So the condition is here the diagonal threshold volume is 3000. The numerator is 1, denominator is 2. So basically this is the percentage imbalance you want to see. Suppose you make this 3, then it's 300%. So you can see this all because it's 2x greater than this diagonally. That's why it's becoming magenta. In this case, this is 2x. This 80x is 2x bigger than 33 diagonally. So it becomes green. Now when we make it 3, let's see what happens. All this that was green, because this is not 3x. 3x of 33 would be 99. Because this is not 99, that green is gone. So you can choose whatever imbalance you want to see. I prefer to see a 2x imbalance so that I come to know, because I'm trading ultra short term and basically an intraday trade. So want to see what is happening at each developing price. The candle up color is light sea green, the down color is orange red. So this is basically the color. There's a background also to it, which is defined by the candle fill opacity. In this case I have kept it 50. If you want to go to 75, see the opacity increases. So you can choose whatever you prefer. Now this we don't need to bother, the custom candle ladder. The numbers in bid ask ladder we want to see, so true. The borders we don't want to see because we are as it is seeing as a candle, and this will give you the borders. Let me show you. I've made it false within, so this is not required here. Now the number side ladders is equal to true, border side ladders true. If you want to see it, you can make it true. If you don't want to see it, you can make it false. So again, up to you. Lot size Nifty is 75. So depending upon your instrument, you need to change the lot size here. The aggregation fib level I've kept it 7. This is, if you keep it 1, it will populate each tick, and the tick size of Nifty is 0.0. So also keep in mind that your instrument setup, there are few data feed providers which by default give a tick size of 0.01 for Nifty. So please make it 0.05 and then keep it to 7, or make it tick size as 1 and keep this as 1, then it will be 1 point. So again, depending on your instrument setting, you have to select this fib level. Basically what it will do is, suppose if I do a fib level 1, I'll show you what happens. See, now each tick is populated, and I have to like zoom in this chart to see. And this doesn't make sense at all, because Nifty is not that liquid that each tick would be traded. So that's the reason I made it 7, so that it becomes approximately an aggregation of 1 point. This is again default, and write data is equal to true, split volume is equal to true. So these are the basic settings, and you can tweak them as per your nature of trading, your style of trading, what you want to really see within the candle, and how you want to see it. Now why I want to see it like this is, I want to see the volume traded in this bar. Like in this case, this was the recent example. You can like go and see all the examples. So see, this is the range. Market was trading within a range. All of a sudden, a huge buyer outside this established range with high volume, and becomes an inverted hammer. The next candle opens and gets in sellers. Here I'm anticipating that maybe the sellers are gaining control because the price is going lower in spite of these buyers. The market comes back again. You can see buyers coming at the highs. I consider them weak buyers because they are not able to move the price but going on buying. What happened later? A final spike up. If you had a stop loss just above the bar, this would have hit. But again, you get the same behavior, that though it went above the bar, it again closed within the range, and you see sellers coming in right after the next bar, and the market starts pushing down. At the lower end, you see sellers coming at the right lower edge, and the bar pulls back up and closes within this range. If you see, this is a minor range here. The sellers were coming in till the lows, and all of a sudden they meet with the buyers, because these buyers considered this as an advantageous price at the lows, and they went into a buy mode, and the candle closes here. Above this high, if we are able to get more buying, I would consider a buy here itself. I don't know the targets when I am buying, because I again wait for a reversal signal. So in this case, I play for 16 points initially and then look for a reversal signal to book out the rest. In this case, the signal came right at the highs, all of a sudden countered by huge sellers and closing within this range and closing below these huge buyers. This is a sign of weakness, and if you can see, the market went sideways because it was almost closing time. So I don't want to get into teaching order flow here, because it's a huge subject and can't be like taught within few minutes. It's there are a lot of things to look at, but this is like basic how to set up the Gomi volume ladder charts and what to look for, basic criteria. So we'll be posting this template, and if anybody wants any other sort of template, I'll post this template along with the video in the post. And if anybody wants a separate template, just post it in the comment section, and we'll be happy to post other templates as well. So hope you have gone through the video, have actually taken your time to watch this, and hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching, and that's it for now, and have a good trading time ahead. Thanks again.